There's a bill sitting on the governor's desk that would allow attorneys to carry guns into courtrooms. Now, Democratic leaders are urging him to veto it.
The bill passed after a major amendment was added in with little oversight. Bodie Brooks reports on the concerns being felt in the legal community over this legislation. Bodie.
Yeah, guys, House Bill 690 started off as a simple change to the state's Judicial Council. Now, Democrats are crying foul, saying an amendment was tacked on in the session's final days that would allow licensed attorneys to conceal carry in the courtroom.
I've not been made aware of an incident where this would have made things better if more attorneys in the courtroom had a gun.
But a bill sitting on Governor Andy Beshear's desk would do just that. Senator Johnny Turner pitched the amendment as a clarification.
It just clears up some things that adds the Attorney General.
It was adopted without any debate by voice vote.
I wonder how many people on the other side of the aisle knew what they were voting on.
I wish this part of the bill had gotten a little more discussion, and I think maybe everybody would have been more comfortable with certain provisions of it if it had gotten that.
Despite no committee discussion, in a statement, Turner says there were 4 days for anyone to review the amendment before it was voted on. Commonwealth's attorney Brian Wright says he's a Second Amendment supporter, but the bill crosses a line.
I think that the safety of the courtroom is better preserved if court bailiffs, law enforcement, and the judges are the ones that are more in control of what's going on.
Democratic leaders held a news conference Monday urging the governor veto the bill. They believe it creates a danger.
In a session full of crazy bills, House Bill 690 is absolutely insane. It needs to be vetoed, and that veto needs to stand.
In a statement, Turner says licensed attorneys should be awarded the same rights and protections as other officers of the court. Republicans do have the numbers to overturn a veto when they return from recess for the last 2 days of session. Guys, back to you.